Yes, our really low to the ground 24-hour sun by the final experiment in Antarctica. Now what's very interesting I'm going to show you about this is, I just want you to note how low to the ground we are going here, the whole way around here. So they're saying 24 hours of this orb going around here. Yes. Now just watch this here. Look, very low to the ground. Then we have our man on the ground here with the tripods everywhere. Oh, we've blacked out for a second. Here he goes. Watch what happens. Wow! Look how high the sun is here. So, which day is this? We just saw in that other clip. Do I have to play it again? I guess I will play it one more time, but let's just see exactly here. Here he is. He's telling this guy he's an idiot. And then we flash up here. And look where the sun is. Isn't that nice?
Turned away at gunpoint. I proved that you lied, Nathan.
Yes, very high in the sky here as we can see. Aha, we caught, is this the Pythagoreanism? Oh, this is the Duffy. That's right, this is the Duffy man. And here he is with his son just over the mountain. There it is there. Let's just skip ahead. I'll never see it get anywhere near the height of that other video now, do we?
First major productions to choose LED walls over green screens, and the benefits for the actors are just the tip of the iceberg. LED walls make the lighting better, filming smoother, and in certain cases cost a lot less than using green screens. But to understand why the team behind The Mandalorian chose these LED screens, we have to understand just how they work. The actors could see their surroundings, but the surroundings weren't actually there. All of this is just LED screens, displaying backgrounds pre-made in a video game engine.
Here he goes. Watch what happens.
I proved that you lied, Nathan.
Wow! Look how high the sun is here. So, which day is this?